Un cordial bombini recordavo, pa please passa na items nan di CMB na entrada, pa você busca vosso ticket nan, a anochi nos está celebrando e grato notícia que nos baita, donando placa na Fundação contra Violência Relacional.
60 years ago, CMB started here in the island. It's been taking care of our customers and our community ever since, but it's absolutely thrilling just to be, out here and giving back because the community has given so much to us. It's as responsible corporate citizens, we have to give something back as well. And you can see the community is definitely behind us tonight, and we're absolutely thrilled and overwhelmed with the outpouring of people just coming out to celebrate with us. So we were trying to figure out a way, so we had a celebration for our staff, we did something for our customers, and we said, we really have to do something for our community. So everybody loves a party, everybody loves food, the music is amazing, the food is amazing, so it's just a great opportunity for us to come out and just be together and enjoy each other. I mean, it's been a tough couple of years, everybody knows that, so this is just a great opportunity for us to give a little bit back too, and say thank you to the community and thank you to a wonderful cause as well. It's a wonderful, wonderful group, and what they do is they help women and children who are transitioning from a difficult time in their life, and help getting them back on their feet, give them support, care, love, a place to stay and a place to feel safe. And they've been doing that for 27 years now. This is 27th year. And it's a very expensive venture and they need a little bit of help. So we thought this would be a wonderful opportunity for us to give back to a cause that is just so worthy and near and dear to all of our hearts. So we're really, really proud to be part of it.
I was talking to Roberto in our land and they said, no, Paul, that's not enough. So I said, well, let's make it 20,000. But no, wait. They said, no, that's not enough.
Everything we raised today, everything, the bank paid for everything. And then everybody that came in, they paid a 15 florin donation to come and be part of it to help give back. We sold over 600 tickets, so that would be about 9,000 florin, but we wanted to do more than that. So we pretty much almost tripled it. We're going to be able to give them 25,000 florin, which is just, they're absolutely thrilled. And just from my heart to theirs and from everybody here, because it was everybody that came out tonight that made this possible. And we're just so thrilled and happy that everybody is just so full of love and caring here in their communities. And really that's what we are all about here in Aruba. And that's what CMB is all about too.
1, 2, 3, reveal! 25,000 florin! Congratulations.
Super contento, CMB está celebrando seu 60 aniversário, a anochi den grande junto com a celebracion, a decidir da fundo para nossa fundação. Nós estamos sumamente contentes com isso aqui. A CMB está para cada ticket de evento, para a comida, bebida, para o fundo, para o ticket, também na fundação. E na doble saque, e mais que o doble, na pôr mais fundo acerca, com 25.000 florin donação na nossa fundação. A fundação está shelter e também behandelcentrum para vítimas e sobreviventes de violência doméstica. Nós temos 5 pilares, nós temos serviço residencial, serviço ambulante, nazorg, expertise center e advocacy work. Se não quer donação, nós arriba o sistema de pay.away. Então, ainda bahaya nós, para passar donação na fundação, também nós temos bank account, para melhor se dar informação aí depois.
If we do this again, this sounds like it could be a repeat. This could be the first annual because this is amazing. And again, thank you so much for your patience. We're already talking about how we can do this better next year and next year and next year.
That's a great point. We had no idea we were going to be this successful. We thought we'd get 200 or 300 people. I think there's over 700 people here tonight. So yeah, absolutely. I think this needs to be the first annual, and I think we should be able to do this time and time again. The lineups are a little bit long because there's a lot of love here, so we're really, really happy about that. We're going to change a couple of things for next year and do it again. But yeah, absolutely. It was just a huge success, and we're just overwhelmed and thrilled and just so pleased that everybody came out in force to support this wonderful cause.